last phytohormone in plant growth and development, that is abscisic acid. So abscisic acid is completely growth inhibitor. Abscisic acid is mainly completely growth inhibitor. Growth inhibitor. Abscisic acid. First of all, in 1960s, what will happen? 3 scientists are reported and isolated 3 substances. The 3 substances are, in 1960, 3 individual researchers are reported 3 substances. One is inhibitor B, abscission 2 and domain. So these 3 substances, they are reported by 3 scientists, they are individual researchers, and these 3 substances mainly inhibitors, mainly inhibit the nature, inhibitors, and they commonly have same chemical substance, that is abscisic acid. In these 3 substances they are mainly inhibitors and they have same chemical formula or same chemical compound, that is abscisic acid. Later abscisic acid is isolated by 2 scientists. One is Liu and Kranz. They are isolated oxins. Isolated oxins in mature cotton fruit. In mature cotton fruit. In mature cotton fruit, abscisic acid is isolated by 2 scientists. One is Liu and Kranz. Actually, abscisic acid controls translation of RNA. So abscisic acid controls translation of RNA. The process of translation, it means the RNA formation takes place, then the RNA translates that information to make a protein. So this abscisic acid, which is inhibit that activity, controls that activity which is involved in the formation of proteins. That's why due to this abscisic acid effect, proteins are not formed properly. So proteins are not formed because of translation process is disturbed by abscisic acid. So translation process is disturbed by abscisic acid. Why? Because translation process disturbed by abscisic acid. That's why proper proteins are not formed, like proteases, amylases. In germination of the seed, in carbohydrate, what is the starch and proteins are break down by proteases and amylases. So proteins are sometimes act as enzymes. So enzymes which are helps in germination of the seed, one is proteases and amylases. Amylases break down the carbohydrates, proteases break down the proteins. So due to that reason, the seed formation, that seed germination does not takes place, because abscisic acid inhibit that activity of translation. So translation, improper of translation leads to improper formation of proteins. Improper formation of proteins leads to, that is a improper formation of enzymes. Enzymes are not formed. For example, amylases and proteases. Amylases and proteases which are helps in breakdown of what is it, sugar compounds, nothing but carbohydrates and proteins in seed. This what is the enzyme does not formed by the abscisic acid. That's why seed does not germinate. Seed do not germinate by the abscisic acid. So next, functions. First, it promotes senescence. It promotes senescence. It promotes senescence. Nothing but aging. Younger body parts are becomes to older. Younger body parts are becomes to older due to this abscisic acid. Abscisic acid promote that activity of that older level, that promote aging in plant body, that leaves, fruits, whatever it may be, body parts are mainly changes into older. So body parts becomes to older, due to the activity of abscisic acid, and also promotes abscission. Also promotes abscission. Abscission is a process by which the leaf, fruit and flower, they are detaches from the plant body. That is abscission, is simply falling of leaf, fruit and flower, simply. So this falling process is called abscission. This process of abscission induced by abscisic acid. When that leaves, this is the stem, this is the flower. When the abscission is taking place by abscisic acid, here base of the flower, formation of abscission zone. This is abscission zone is formed. Abscission zone is formed. So abscission zone is formed. This abscission zone mainly formed by deposition of suberin. Deposition of suberin. Here suberin to formations. Deposition of the suberin takes place. This suberin impermeable to water and nutrients. So suberin not allow gaseous exchange and water. Suberin not allow water, gaseous exchange. Due to water deficiency and gas deficiency in the leaf body, the leaf becomes to detaches from the stem. That process is called abscission. Abscission means leaf, flower and fruit mainly detaches from the plant body by the abscission zone is formed. Due to the abscisic acid, abscission zone is formed. Abscission zone mainly formed by suberin. The suberin is impermeable to not allows water and not allows gases. Due to the scarcity of water and gases, the leaf is detached from the stem. Next, third function, promote seed germination. What is it? Promote seed dormancy. Seed dormancy. Abscisic acid promote seed dormancy. It means seeds are let it be there in dormancy period. So seeds do not germinate. It means metabolic activities are not fulfilled in the seed. Seed is completely matured. Seed is always in sleeping situation, sleeping condition, that is called seed dormancy. Next, inhibit the germination of seeds. Next function, inhibit the germination of seeds. Seeds do not germinated by the production of abscisic acid. Before that we said abscisic acid control the RNA proteins formation. Proteins does not formed by abscisic acid like amylases and proteases, which are not helps to seed germination. In seed, carbohydrates and protein breakdown is a process is there. That process is done by proteins, but that proteins are not formed by that abscisic acid. So germination of the seed, that process is inhibited by abscisic acid. Next, promote or induces budding. What is that? Bud dormancy. So buds are changes into flowers. It is a normal common thing, but buds are not changes into flowers because of abscisic acid. Due to the abscisic acid, buds do not changes into flowers. It is also another function. Next, stomatal closing of stomata. Mainly closing of stomata. Closing of stomata. Stomata is closed in two situations. Stomata is closed in two situations. When stomata is closed in less water availability, and over temperature or overheat. In these situations also, that stomata will be closed by the plant body. In this particular situation, abscisic acid is produced and to helps to closing of stomata Stomata will be closed by this abscisic acid when overheating or more temperature and water is less. In these situations, that stomata will be closed by abscisic acid. These are the different types of functions are done by abscisic acid.